Welcome to our guide on how to share a rotated photo on Telegram Story with the latest updates. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to add a creatively rotated photo to your Telegram Story. To begin, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Next, tap on the camera icon to create a story within the Telegram platform. You can either select a photo from your gallery or capture a new one using the in-app camera feature. Before posting your story, you have the option to rotate the photo by simply tapping on it with 2 fingers and adjusting the orientation accordingly. Once you are content with the rotation of the photo, proceed by tapping on the Next button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, choose who can view your story based on your preferences, ensuring that your content reaches the intended audience. Finally, to share your creatively rotated photo on your Telegram story, tap on the Post Story button to make it visible to your selected audience. By following these user-friendly steps, you can effortlessly enhance your storytelling on Telegram by incorporating creatively rotated photos. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy sharing your unique and rotated photos on Telegram Story.